Hi, Justin Taylor here. Today I'm unboxing Speco Technology's new digital deterrent IP cameras. We will be covering what is included in the box as well as specific features and benefits. Let's get started. Before we begin, a special shout out to our marketing team for these brand new box designs. First, we're going to open the box, and on top, we have a quick start guide, an adhesive mounting guide, a CD with the manual, and a quick catalog. Opening the box further, we see our included junction box, which holds the necessary hardware for a smooth install. And now, let's take a look at the camera. This is our brand new digital deterrent camera in a sleek bullet housing and comes equipped with LED light and built-in speaker for both audio and visual deterrent. Let's go over the camera cabling. We have our RJ45 port, which includes a waterproof connector, our 12-volt DC, audio in and alarm out.